and welcome back to my channel. I am Mrs. P. Tarleton. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Today I wanted to give you a time-saving tip. Google Classroom's grading rubric is saving me right now. Crazy times, got to get things done quickly. This is so helpful. So I wanted to show you how to use it. Let's dive in. So here I am in my Google Classroom. Going to classwork. I'm going to create an assignment and I'm going to add an assignment. And here I'm going to make a copy for each student. If you want to give additional directions, you can do that right here in the middle. I'm going to put the points. I'm going to select my due date, select my topic. I suggest you use both of those to help you manage everything right here. This is the magic rubric key. I'm going to create a new rubric and I'm going to create a title. So interactive notebook. So this is where you're going to choose how many points. I often just use 10 points and you can add a description if you want. Add another section. My next section has 8 points. And if you want to add a description, be more detailed, you can do that right here in the description. Again, add a description, and then I always put a 0 because you always have somebody that's not going to do it. So there I have it. And because it's saved, I can save it interactive notebook rubric. I can save it, like if this is my grading scale I often use for my homework, I can just put basic assignment scale. Whatever it is I want to name it, I can name it here. And I can reuse the same one over and over. So let's assign it. Assign. So this is what the student's going to see. This is their assignment. They can see the rubric. They can click on it and open it. These are the points. Under here is where you would have your descriptions, and they can read very clearly what your expectation is. So then they go in and they complete their assignment. This is all in the student view. They complete their assignment and then they turn it in. So this is the student view. Let's go back to the teacher view. And we see here that one person has turned it in. So go into the grading. And over here, where you would put the points, you don't have to list the points. There they are right there. They're in these nice little tabs. Well, when I glance at my interactive notebook, I see that this student didn't do anything on their interactive notebook. So I can add a private comment. I would give them their grade, which is a 0. Automatically populates here, and then you return it. Not only does it add the grade here, depending on what you choose, see how it populates? It also will add it to your Google Classroom gradebook, which I find beneficial. That way I can transfer data over to my gradebook. We don't use Google Classroom gradebook. So here you have it. All you have is these 4 little tabs. You just click on the tab that fits the grade and you have it, and then you just return. Let me know in the comments, have you used rubrics? Do you think this is an easy one to use? I go back over here and I'm going to create another assignment. And I'm going to link something here. So I want to use a different assignment. Pretend this is a different assignment, but I wanted to use the same grading scale. So maybe you do multiple interactive notebooks. Click on rubric, reuse rubric, and it's going to come up with all the rubrics that you've already used. You just click on that and select. So once you create your basics with all that detailed information, your students will be able to see that as well. Hope you found this helpful. Remember, step out and be uniquely wonderful you. Have a great day.